Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben in the house. Shout out to everybody that's here. Um, I forgot to even turn on my notification, but basically, let's see if this thing is working this time. If you are, what's going on, Alex? RPM, okay. So I had to restart. I had to restart the stream. What's going on, Leslie Savage? I had to restart the stream. I was streaming like 5 minutes ago, and I was trying to figure out what's going on. I only had like 10 people in the room, so now it seems like people getting the notification. That's weird, right? But shout out to everybody that's here. So basically, let me go over all the stuff. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a full-time trader and an investor. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. So if you are looking for a channel that, if you're looking to learn about how to read the charts and how to make money just from reading the charts, this is definitely a channel for you. So hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party party started, guys. I finally got the notification. So yeah, so basically I got the notification, and now it seems like it's working. What's going on, MK? So you still got no notification, MK? That's crazy. What's going on, Indrel? What's going on? Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. So I restarted the stream, and I finally got my notification. So on my side it's working. But some of you guys are not getting, it's not getting it. So it's crazy. But shout out to you guys that's here. I had to restart the stream because it was like only 10 people in the room, and I'm like, something's wrong, man. Andrew said he got the notification. Yeah, you got it because I restarted the stream. I logged back in. I had to do everything. So something didn't seem right. So MK said the bell is checked and he still didn't get it. That's crazy. Hey, what's going on, Shahad? Shazad, what's going on? Let me see. What's going on, Triforce? What's going on, TP? TP Dollars. Sammy, what's going on? Tim, of course. Leslie Savage, what's going on? So yeah, guys, what I was just saying before I got off the stream is I was saying that I thought Bitcoin was going to go up again because, overall we had, this sell-off right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, we had this sell-off right here. And all of a sudden, a couple of bars later, buyers came in. So I was like, okay, all right. So buyers want to come in. So most likely, I thought, I was like, most likely, we're going to go up probably higher. Okay, we're going to definitely at least try to test the high. And then we had consolidation, and out of this consolidation, we broke down. Remember, we broke down. Let me zoom out real quick so you can see that. Okay, we broke down to the downside right here. This big long wick. We broke down, so I was like, man, and then we snapped right back up. So I was like, okay, buyers is in the building. So automatically, I thought we was going to go up go up higher and maybe test 87 or something like that. And next thing you know, I wake up today, I see a whole bunch of red. So I was like, okay. So overall, I went short on the daily chart based on a setup. A nice little 1, 2, 3 on the on the daily chart at a key level. So I went short, and I'm hoping to get at least a 1-to-1 on this. Okay, at least a 1-to-1. I'm not looking to go all crazy with this because I believe that we will try to bounce back up and you know, test the highs again. But hopefully I can get a quick 1-to-1. But you know, if I take a loss on this trade, it is what it is. That's part of the business. But you know, overall, I do like the setup. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. I had to reset the stream. Now it seems like it's working. I see my normal people, you know, my normal subscribers that's usually here. I'm glad to see you guys here. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. What's going on, Bordan? What's going on? Let me see. Let me see if I see any questions here. TRX, yeah, TRX, Sammy dropped down like crazy. A lot of people made money on that short. TP $ said, when do you think it's safe to start shorting again? Well, I'm short right now. That's based on a signal, you know, on the daily chart. You know, I don't expect you guys to go short right here because this is an aggressive short. But you know, I do like the daily chart because the daily chart is usually more accurate than the 4-hour chart, but the 4-hour chart gives you more signals. So the next time to be, you know, the next time it's safe is, you know, when price goes below that moving average. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. This is entertainment only. Let me see if I see any questions. You said I assume you are based in London. No, I'm not. I'm not based in London. Why you say that? Why you think I'm based in London? What's going on, Keith? Keith finally made it in the building. Keith, let me ask you a question, Keith. Do you get the bell when I go live? Do you know I'm live? Does YouTube notify you? You said you've been getting beat up in these spikes. Yes, because you probably been getting beat up in the spikes because you probably been rushing. I don't know if you're trying to short. Where are you trying to short, TP? TB? Where are you trying to short? Because number one, there's no really good signal to short BTC right now. Now I could have shorted, you know, Bitcoin right here, got in a little bit earlier, and I could have got out on the 4-hour, but I like the daily. I like the daily setup right here. So you said yes, I got your bell tonight, okay? Because nah, I don't have a British accent. I don't. But. Yeah, because a lot of people said they didn't get the bell. So nah, I'm from New York. I'm from New York. Let me see. You said so if it's only entertainment only, sing for us. Yeah, I know. I'll sing for you. All right, so you said, do you or your team do a training or teach how to read the graphs? Do you have this course yet? Do you have this course right here? Shithad, do you have this course? Do you have this course right here? Let me know if you have that course. Sajad, let me know if you have that course. Cause you asking me about training. Yeah, let me know. What's going on, Cedric? It's good to see you here. What's going on, Glenn? Yeah, I had to reset my I had to reset the stream because I was live 5 minutes ago, but it was only 10 people in the building, so I knew something was wrong. I knew that YouTube wasn't sending out notifications because, I mean, 10 people in my live stream is rare. So I had to reset the stream. You said I don't have that course. So yes, Sajad, if you don't have this course is the training. This course is the training. So basically, this course will teach you everything step by step. It's very simple. It will teach you everything step by step, how to make money when the market goes up and how to make money when the market goes down. Okay? During the live stream, I give a 50% discount. So just give me 10 minutes. You can get this course for $110 if you give me 10 minutes. So I see a troll. A troll is here. Oh my gosh, he said get to the point. What point he talking about? He said get to the point. What point? I'm not trying to make a point. I'm here conversating with my subscribers. What is this guy talking about? He said get to the point. What point do you want me to get to? I'm not explaining anything to nobody. I'm not even talking about the market. I'm talking about I'm here having a conversation with Sajad. But anyway, shout out to Edgar. Edgar is making, he said he made $450, guys, today. I'm guessing he made money off this this dump right here. I'm guessing he made money off this dump. So shout out to him. Let me give him a round of applause. Yeah, he's if he say anything negative, he gonna get kicked out. Because he said that, you know, he said get to the point, but I wasn't even talking about the market. Let me see. So shout out to Edgar making his money out here. That's good to see. So yes, guys, right now I'm short BTC. Like I said before, I think it's a quality setup, but you know, I'm looking to get a quick 1-to-1, and you know, like I said before, it's a small position, but if I take a loss on this one, I'm okay with it. Okay, but I don't want nobody to follow my footsteps because I'm short. But you know, right now to me, it's a quality setup. It's on a daily chart, a nice little 1, 2, 3, right at a key level on the daily chart. So I like this for a quick 1-to-1. We'll see. Sellers came right in. To me, overall, this thing should have shot up, in my opinion, because we had multiple. You know, we tried multiple times. So we'll see. Yeah, no problem, Edgar. It's good to see you making his money, man. It's good to see you making his money. What's going on, Mr. 66? Mr. 66 in the house? What's going on? And shout out to all my moderators. Savage, you're not a moderator yet? You want to be a moderator? Shout out to all my moderators. Thanks a lot for cleaning up these trolls. Keith said, Sajad, that course will teach you everything you need to know, need to make money. So shout out to Keith. That's true. Let me see. You said how many times on average can you get paid short in BTC? We mean on average. Basically, every time there's a shorting opportunity, you can make money. Are you talking about every single month? Or that's what you mean? And you don't have to just short BTC. You can short Ethereum. You can short Ripple. You can short, all these coins. So it's not just BTC. I just focus on BTC because I know BTC is the big dog. But a lot of my students, they shorted Tron. Okay, because Tron is a pump and dump every time it comes out with news. Okay, so Tron pumped and dumped, and people made a lot of money from this short. Okay, shout out to all you guys that's making money and taking profits, because right now I know a lot of people are pissed off because they bought Tron and hoping that Tron would go to the moon because it had that secret, what do you call that, secret announcement. But Tron hit this resistance level and it sold right back off. So some of my students made money from there. Ethereum, I forgot who told me that they made, I think Craig, I believe Craig told me he made money off this Ethereum short. So it's a lot of money to be made. It's not just Bitcoin. It's a lot of money to be made. So per month, like I said, you could make money. You can maybe 2 or 3 times sometimes, but it's not, like I said, it's not just BTC. It could be more than 2 or 3 times because you have multiple coins. What's going on, Randy? So shout out to Leslie Savage. Leslie Savage, I just add you to the list of moderators. What's going on, businessman? I'm reading these comments. You said watch it break back down, go back down, even sold. Then it went down lower. Now most likely holding fiat tether, waiting to get back in the right time. Do you think this might be the right time? Are you talking about right time to do what? Bordan, what right time to do what? Go long or short? So shout out to Leslie Savage. I made you one, Leslie Savage. I thought I made you one already. So I'm reading these questions, guys. 45 is here. Oh, what's going on, 45? 45 said, the trolls, where they at? He said, Randy, get your lipstick ready. Oh, man, you guys comedian. You guys is comedians, man. Let me get my laugh. Let me see my laugh. I got a couple. I want to see these other laughs. We got Wiz. That's Wiz. Let me see. I got to see some laughs here. Stewie's. me see what's going on. I'm reading these comments, guys. I'm reading these comments. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. Edgar says, should I short Litecoin? Man, you know I can't give nobody financial advice. You know I can't give nobody financial advice on this stream. Let me see Litecoin. You missed the short right now on Litecoin, so you probably had to wait till Litecoin pulls back. You had to probably wait till it pulls back a little bit. It might not even pull back that much. It might just go up a little bit and then go right back down. Let me see. Michelle said, hey, Ben, finally caught a live stream. That's what's up. Shout out to Michelle making this live stream. Thanks a lot for coming through. Where are you from, Michelle? Because are you from the States? You said I was just saying, if you are shorting the same coin 3 times in a row, be careful. What do you mean by that, Triforce? Are you talking about if you made profits already, you mean? Triforce, are you talking about if you made profits already? What's going on, Mr. Hall? Oh, okay, you from NC. Okay, that's what's up. Thanks a lot for coming through. What's going on, G Baker? You said, what's the volume size I would recommend for beginners? I can't recommend anything. I usually tell people, O1 is a good place to start because that's the lowest one, just to get your feet wet. Just to get your feet wet. But you can test it out. You can test it out yourself. O1, O2, for beginners is probably good. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. But yes, O1, O2, probably good for beginners. Philip said, how much is your course? Philip, my course is $210. But if you give me 5 minutes, during this live stream, I give a 50% discount. So just give me 5 minutes, and I will give you guys the discount because someone else asked me about the course. Shout out to Edgar. Edgar said, what do you think Litecoin will bottom at? So shout out to Edgar. Basically, he gave me the super chat, the $4 super chat. So shout out to him. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate giving me that $4 super chat. So you said, where do I think Litecoin will bottom? Well, basically, it's very hard to tell when anything's going to bottom because no one knows about the bottom. But, Litecoin has a lot of room, okay? Litecoin has a lot of room. So the next area right here, Litecoin will probably go to, let me see. Yeah, I definitely see sheesh. Anywhere around here, this area right here. So we talking about all the way, I see $50 all the way down to $33, okay? and that's where I see big Litecoin can actually go in the long run. Probably not no time soon, but in the long run, if Bitcoin continues to go down. Because right now, if you notice this long wick right here, that's a key area, and it might test that area. It might test this area right here. So shout out to you, Edgar, for basically giving me that super chat. I appreciate it, man. Definitely appreciate it. So for you guys that want the course, you guys been asking me about the course. Basically, during this live stream, I give a 50% discount. So, you know, you don't have to pay the full price, because once I get off this live stream, you're gonna have to pay the full price. So, if you want to take advantage of this now, that's on you. You can pay the full price when I get off a live stream, or you can just get it right now. But basically, this course is about how to show people how to, you know, just overall become a professional when it comes to investing. A lot of people just don't understand that you are leaving a lot of money on the table, not by, you know, by not taking advantage of these swings in the market. The market doesn't go straight up. It doesn't go straight down. It has swings, which is pullbacks, okay? So you can take advantage of these pullbacks, create monthly income for yourself, and eventually when you do that, hopefully you can actually quit your job, because, you know, I want you guys to always quit your job. And then once you can quit your job, you can actually graduate to day trading, which will help you create that daily and weekly income. But for right now, I know a lot of guys have a 9-to-5, so this course is about swing trading. So if you have a 9-to-5, don't worry about it. You can still make money. Okay, we play the daily chart and we play the 4-hour, so that gives you enough time to get in these markets. So just right now, let me copy and paste this link to you guys that don't have this course. If you read my testimonials, guys, you know that most people are making money right now. Shout out to Cupcake. Cupcake is one of my female loyal subscribers. She came on the stream the other day, and she's told me that she's continued to, she says she's still making money from this course. So right now, she's my first testimonial on this website right here. She said she made a little over $400, but she came on the stream, I would say a couple of days ago, told me that she still, you know, is making money. She's still making money from the course. So shout out to her. So if you want to get that course, I just copy and paste the link to you, and check that out. So let's go back to the charts. Let me see if I see any let's see if I see any questions. Kick who out? G Baker, you said kick him out. Kick who out? Who's playing games? Who's playing games, G Baker? Get this money, keep your defense up. Yeah, exactly. Keith said, I missed a few streams, but congrats to everybody who's making his money. Yeah, congrats to everybody that's making his money. So let me hit that cha-ching button for you guys that's making his money. Actually, someone told me they made money today. Let me see who that is. I think that was let me scroll up real quick. Oh, it was Edgar. Okay, shout out to Edgar. Made 450 today. So shout out to you. That's what's up, man. So people's making his money, man. A lot of people don't understand that there's money to be made right now. So let me see if I see any questions. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm going over these questions right now. You said forced breakout. What do you mean forced breakout, Booker? What do you mean by forced breakout? What's going on, Eric? I hear you, Edgar. I hear you. Yeah, what do you mean by forced breakout, Booker? And shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't be shy. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years plus. I mean, 10 years plus. So let me know. So overall, guys, what I was saying before this live stream, because I was doing I went live a half an hour ago, but my stream was acting up, so I had to reset the stream. And basically what I was saying was, don't be surprised if you see Bitcoin going to the dominance going to 50% and or higher by the end of this year. And the market cap is still showing resistance at that 300 billion. So right now the market doesn't want to go above that 300 billion. Just what it is. Honestly, I thought we had room to go up higher because we slammed down. Not really slammed down, but we went down right here. We went up. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour shows the chart a little bit better. So we slammed down this bar right here. It was a good sell off. Then next thing you know, we popped up. Okay, the bulls came in. I mean, and we was consolidating. So overall, you know, people were saying, yeah, guys, we're going to go up. So honestly, I thought this was a continuation to go up. Okay, but we slammed back down, and then the buyers came back in. So I'm like, okay, we went down, but it came right back up. So I was like, all right. So I was like, guys, you know, most likely we're going to go to 87, 88, you know, and from there, guys, we're going to see what Bitcoin is made of, because I told you once we pop up, I told you when I told you that when Bitcoin went up, or went up from, if it basically went up, I mean went higher from here, the party is going to begin right now. Okay, so but Bitcoin didn't go up. So I woke up this morning and I saw this big red bar. So I was like, okay. So I got in right here below this bar right here for that 1, 2, 3 at a key level on a daily chart, and I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1. Hopefully I would get it, because overall it looks like the market wants to at least test this breakout right here. If you notice this breakout, the market loves to test breakouts. So most likely the market will go to this breakout right here. Hopefully it goes to like 74, 73. You know, it can actually go way beyond that and test the bottom of the breakout, because the market loves to stop people out. So a lot of people have their stop below this candle right here. So, you know, that's what's going on right now. So you just have to wait. But shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. You said forced breakout on the 5-minute. Man, you looking at the 5-minute, Booker? Sheesh. You talking about right here? Yeah, I mean, basically, you talking about oh, okay, it's a forced breakout. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to go back down. Yeah, I'm not even looking at the 5-minute, Booker. But yeah, shout out to you. Michelle said, Ben, the link is not accepting my card. How can I send you crypto? You said it's not accepting your card. That's weird. Because once you go here, you know, you could sign up for is PayPal. But if you can't sign up with your card, then basically email me, and I will send you my I can send you my address, my either BTC address, and you can pay me that way. Let me give you my email right now. So Michelle, email me right now, Michelle. So shout out to Michelle. She wants to get the course. Shout out to you, Michelle. She wants to get this course. So if anybody on this live stream want to get this course, if you have any questions, let me know. So Michelle, I gave you my email address, and you can email me. So yeah, guys. So overall, I'm looking for a quick one-to-one, and we'll see what's going on, because Bitcoin right now, it just looks weak, because I thought we had a lot of chances to go up, right? It looked like trust me, guys. Go to the 4-hour chart, and you could tell it looked like before. It looked like it was trying to go up. Okay, because we slammed down, and then next thing you know, we pop back up. So automatically, I'm like, all right, guys, we going up, because we went up and we consolidated, right? We broke down again one more time, and then we shot right back up. So I'm like, okay, these bots are real. They really trying to buy up this market. So when I came in today, I'm like, yo, what's going on? Why the market is going down? So overall, the market is telling me that it's weak. And not only that, it's telling me that this key resistance area is holding up. Sellers is coming in. This key resistance area right here. Sellers are coming in. So to me, I believe that this is a high probability setup on the daily chart. I told you the daily chart is usually more accurate than the 4-hour, but the daily chart doesn't give you that many opportunities each month. But you know, right now, like I said, I think this is a high probability setup. You know, it is a small position. If I take a loss, I take a loss. But I think overall, I think it's a good setup. Let me see if I see any questions. What's going on, G Slick? Eric said, I got the course. Definitely 100% recommended. Shout out to you, Eric. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. He said, if you're serious about trading. So Eric said, if you really serious about trading, definitely get this course. And I agree with him. I agree, because this course, we show you how to stay calm, how to get in, how to make this money. A lot of people told me, you know, been put like this. Every other day, I get either emails or people on this live stream telling me, hey, Ben, I made this, I made that. And because they seen the market, you know, differently now, they can actually see the market and see a whole bunch of opportunities on the chart. So it is what it is. It's up to you guys. Michelle, did you get my email address, Michelle? Okay, so shout out to Michelle. She just sent me an email. Okay, Michelle. So, Michelle, as soon as I get off, the live stream, Michelle, I'm going to send you a link. Honestly, let me see if I can do it now. But actually, as soon as I get off this live stream, Michelle, I'm gonna send you the link to the crypto. All right, and don't worry, you can still get it for 110 when I get off the stream. Okay, Michelle. Okay, no problem. So Triforce said I'm short with your Ben. Yeah, guys. Yeah, no problem. I hear you, but you know, don't go short. Don't go short with me just because I'm going short. Of course, I'm not giving you no financial advice. It's entertainment only. But most of you guys on here knows that you know every trade is you know what goes along with it. But overall, guys, I told you that this is a high to me. This is a high probability setup because it's a daily it's a setup on a daily chart and is at a key level, resistance level. So I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1. I'm not looking for to break the bank with this. I'm not like, you know, I'm not looking to get like crazy gains with this. Just let you know, I'm looking for a quick 1-to-1. But you know, shout out to everybody that's here. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, Triforce. He said that I've been short since I woke up. I hear you. I hear you, Triforce. So let me see. Let me see if I see the questions, man. Um, but you know, Triforce. I had to say that. You know, I had to say that. Let me see. Just join. Lennon said, "Just join here. Just join. And are we all in agreement that Bitcoin is plummeted to 6K?" Lennon, 6K. Not yet, Lennon. You have to understand. We have a lot of we have some resistance right here, this level. So I don't expect it to go down that far yet. You know, we're gonna have to bounce around a couple of times before it go down lower. But right now, like I said, I'm just taking this quick little scout on the daily chart. Let me see if I see any questions. But shout out to Triforce. So Triforce said, if I take a loss, yeah. So shout out to you. I'm glad that you think like that, Triforce. I'm glad that you think like that. Triforce said, if I take a loss, I take a loss. So shout out to you. And I told you guys, man, professionals take losses all the time. Okay, when I day trade, I take losses all the time. The key is to, you know, take quality setups. The key is to take quality setups and to have your winners outdo your winners. I mean, outdo your losers. Okay. Right now, to me, this is a quality setup on a daily chart. I told you daily charts are more accurate to me than the 4-hour, but the 4-hour gives you a lot of opportunities. So I still love the 4-hour too, but it's just that, you know, sometimes the daily chart doesn't give you that many opportunities. But you know, overall, right now, to me, I believe that this is a quality setup. And I told you guys, if I take a loss, it is what it is. I've been doing this for 10 years plus, so taking losses to me is not nothing. Let me see. G Baker said, I think they block. They block what? Cha-ching, what's going on? G Slick. Richard said, did you get my email last night? No. What'd you send me, Richard? Richard, you sent me an email last night? You sure that you sent it to the right email? You said you send it again? I don't see anything, Richard. You said you sent it again. What are you sending? You said send me your. I'm sorry, guys. Richard is confusing me right now. Richard, this is my email address right here, Richard. That's my email address. So let me see if I see any questions. Lennon said I took a loss today. Not many people can stomach that. So shout out to Richard. Richard, what you took a loss on what, Richard? Let me know what coin you took a loss on. Triforce said getting profit alerts. Triforce said he's getting that profit alerts. That means that he making money. Shout out to him. TB said I have learned a lesson on every loss I took. They are valuable. Yes, they are. So shout out to you, TB. Losses are part of the game. Okay, but you have to understand that once you are in, you're going along with the major trend and you are taking high quality setups, most likely you're going to win more than you lose, and your wins is going to be bigger than your losses. Let me see if I see any questions. Yes, exactly, Triforce. You said, "Hey, I'm not in no rush this year for Bitcoin to moon buying opportunity. Crypto has begun a hobby for me." I hear you. I hear you, man. G Slick said, "I love to." You said, "Win or lose, I love crypto." Shout out to G Slick. Sheesh. Flex said, "You short an XRP 50x with yesterday's profit." Sheesh. Shout out to Flex trying to make this money out here. Let me hit that bell for them. Let me hit that bell. Sheesh. These guys are trying to make a killing. Shout out to Corey Bauer. He said, "I don't usually comment a lot, but I always catch every single stream on my way home from from your." I hear you, man. I hear you. Shout out to you, Corey. He said, Flex said, "Thanks. It's called because because of Ben." Shout out to you, Flex. Oh, okay, so you said that you want to pay in Bitcoin. Okay, I hear you. So shout out to Richard and shout out to Michelle. They both want to pay in Bitcoin. So yeah, hit me email me now, Richard. I just gave you my email. Email me now so I know that you was on this so I know you was on the stream. Okay, so Richard said you're gonna use. You said you're gonna use the buy link instead of the coin. All right, no problem. Let me know. Let me know, Richard. If you use this buy link, let me know. Let me know if you got the course. Let me see if I see any more questions. You said let's group up in short Facebook. Ah, man, shout out to Flex. Flex want to make this money. Leonard said, my goal is to make $100 a day trading. That's what's up. Even if it turned out to be average earners, yes. Shout out to Leonard, man. Shout out to you. Yes, you could definitely get there, man. You could definitely get there. And you said it right. Average earnings, okay? Most people don't understand that. Most people don't understand average earnings. So shout out to Leonard. Most people don't understand that because, you know, when I day trade, every single day is not a winning day for me, okay? But when you average out the earnings, you know, you have a profitable week. So Leonard actually understands the whole process. Just shout out to him. And, you know, guys, most people, you know, that's why most people they will never become full-time traders or investors because a lot of people can't handle losses, okay? They don't understand the game. They don't understand how it works. They don't understand, you know, math when it comes to this trading game, okay? Trading game is way different than the regular math that you learn in school, okay? 1 + 1 in school equals 2. But in my world, 1 + 1 can actually equals 4 or 5 or 6. You know, so on one trade, I can actually make 4x. Okay, so let's say that on one trade I lose 1x, but on my next trade I made 4x. That means that overall I made 3x. Okay, so that's why it's people just have to understand that in this game, losses is part of the game, but you have to understand that your winners can actually outdo your losers, and that's how you stay in the game. So right now, guys, what we see here is sellers come in. Sellers is coming in right now. So shout out to Triforce. Triforce, are you still in this building, Triforce? Triforce, where you at? Triforce, you still here? Sellers is coming in. Sellers is coming in, guys. So we'll see. We'll see if I get that 1-to-1. Hopefully, I can get that 1-to-1. Sellers is coming in, guys. So we'll see. Shout out to Triforce. I know Triforce said he was short. Let me see if I see any questions. G Slick said it's a jungle out here. Yes, man. Booker said, I'm going to support the channel and buy the course. Thanks for the live streams, man. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it, G Booker, man. I appreciate it. I mean, Booker, I appreciate it. And if you don't know what the course he's talking about this course right here. So if you don't have it, definitely check it out because during the live stream is a 50% discount. Shout out to Booker. Let me hit that cha-ching button for him. Okay. Booker said he's going to support the channel by getting the course. And Booker, I believe that you will enjoy the course. Okay, I believe you will. Because most people that get the course, they definitely enjoy it and they are taking advantage of the course because they're making money. So shout out to Booker. Let me see if I see any more questions. If you are new to my channel, thanks a lot coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. Triforce, man, where you at? Triforce said he's getting profit alerts, so I don't know what he's doing. He said he'd be right back. So Triforce, when you come back, let me know. Vape said when Dodge hit Robinhood, I bought in with $100. I was up 70% and was greedy and lost it all. Ended up selling 15% I'm still learning not to be greedy and just take pop. Yes, so shout out to Vape. Yes, Vape. In this bear market, it's it's you can't be greedy in the bear market like this, because the bear market it gives you, it teases you when it comes to profits. So especially I'm talking about on the long side, it teases you. So you get profits, but next thing you know, your profits could disappear, just like TRX, right? Let's look at TRX real quick. TRX popped up. Let me see on the 4-hour. TRX popped up, guys, right here, and it teased a lot of people. All right, it teased a lot of people right here. We hit this resistance line right here, and then it flopped right back down. So yeah, you have to understand, in the bear market, it's very hard to hold your gains because the market is not going to allow you to do it. So yes, in the bear market, you can't be too greedy. You have to learn how to take your profits. But shout out to you Vape. At least you made something. So shout out to you. Yo, Triforce, you're back. All right. So Triforce, I was just talking about you, man. You see BTC going down? You see BTC going down? So we'll see what's going on. We'll see what's going on. We'll see if this thing could continue to go down. And see what's going on. Michelle said, "Do you think TRX will hit 2 cents on this dip?" Yeah. On this dip right here, TRX 2 cents. Well, it's hard to say on this dip, but overall, I believe Tron will hit 2 cents. But on this dip right here, I'm not too sure. Because we might bounce back up. Let me see, around this area right here, maybe around 73. If we go down this far, we might bounce up. So TRX might get a little bounce from there. So I can't. It's hard to say that TRX will go to 2 cents around here, but I think overall, yes, we will see trying to go to 2 cents. Keith said, "I shorted BTC while I was at work today and made a quick profit." So shout out to Keith. He said Vape, the course will make you money if you purchase it. So shout out to him. And Keith, thanks a lot, man. Because most people don't understand that when you get this course, you can still make money even if you have a job. Okay, I made it that way on purpose because I know most of you guys still have a 9 to 5. Let me see if I see anything else. Let me see. You said, Vape said, "I'm holding XLM, waiting for it to hit Coinbase, thinking it's gonna pop up, but I just don't know. I need the course. It will help me to show the way." So yeah, Vape, Keith just put you on. He just told you what's going on with the course. Randy said, "Keith, the way you saying about get that got me salivating, get my hands on this course. I'm so ready." Randy, you didn't get the course yet? It's gonna be beastly. I'm a pretty sharp guy. Randy, you got the course already, right, Randy? Vape, you won't be frustrated holding once you unlock all the strategies in the course. Yeah, so Vape, if you're stressed out right now, definitely get the course because it will show you multiple strategies. Oh, so you said, okay, you said Friday coming up. Okay, I can't, Randy, sometimes I just can't remember a lot of things, I can't remember every little detail. But shout out to you, Randy. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate you supporting the channel on Friday. So I have to make sure I come here Friday. Let me see. Not yet, vape, not yet. But like I said, vape, if you don't have this course, it's only $110. It's not that much. And you can get it through the live stream, because once I get off a live stream, it goes back to 210. So, you know, it's up to you. Okay, so shout out to Randy. He said Randy said he already downloaded WinRAR. Shout out to Randy, man. Randy understands that as soon as he get the course, he gonna need WinRAR. Yo, shout out to Randy. That's a person that's ready. He's ready to get in the market, man. That's what's up. I like to see people like that, man. He's ready already. Okay, so that's what's up. Randy said, once I get this course, I'm gonna unpack it real quick. Thanks a lot, Randy. Mitch said, what's your expectation, dude, you have for Tron? 1 month at the end of this year? Honestly, Mitch, honestly, with Tron, it has, this bear market has nothing to do with Tron. It has nothing to do with Ethereum. It has nothing to do with Litecoin. Bitcoin is the guy that's in charge. So even if I love Tron or I have high hopes or whatever the case is, Tron, it has nothing to do with Tron. Okay, we have to see what Bitcoin is going to do by the end of this year, and most likely by the end of this year, Bitcoin will continue to go down. It's only because we are in a bear market. You know, so I don't know what Tron is going to do by the end of this year. I don't know. But, you know, Bitcoin is weak right now. We are in a bear market, and we just have to wait for Bitcoin. Lennon said, man, I never seen the alts bleed as much as yeah, I know, man. These alts right now is bleeding. XRP bleeding. All these alts is bleeding, man. And I told you guys that, you know, it was kind of low. Overall, the market was suspect. And I was thinking that, you know, the altcoins was a leading indicator. Okay. It was basically leading the market. Bitcoin wasn't the true leading indicator. Okay. It was the altcoins telling us that the market is still weak. The altcoins were telling us, guys, the market was still weak, and most likely we will continue to go down. Bitcoin was a distraction. Okay, Bitcoin was the distraction, and it pumped up. It did a nice pump too, a nice pump, but it wasn't really no volume behind the pump. Okay, really no volume behind the pump, and the altcoins told us, guys, that, you know, the market really didn't want to go up. So it's, you know, overall, the Bitcoin dominance most likely will continue to go up. And, you know, it's just what it is. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. If you have any questions, let me know. You said, oh yeah, Triforce said, I think most of us lost money on Tron. Damn, man. You said, bitch said Tron made me lose. Man, that's crazy. I hear you, Mitch, man. I hear you. I hear you, man. I hear you. I hear you, Mitch. And the bad thing about, the bad thing about this, right, this is why most people find it hard to switch over and do other things when it comes to investing, because you have